tornado warning, and as policy, as coverage as always, we continue to stay live on these thunderstorms if they are under a severe thunderstorm, or rather a tornado warning, and that's what we're dealing with here in northwestern portions of Columbiana County where the storm is moving into, and also, of course, we're watching closely into this thunderstorm as it moves out of southwestern Mahoning County. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick look. We're looking at cross-section views, and you've probably watched this before on here as we've looked at different specific thunderstorms in the past. This is giving us an indication of what the storm looks like in a three-dimensional view, and a couple of things showing up here, one of which you can see the back flank of this thunderstorm building, and of course that tells us specific items to kind of tell us what kind of an updraft we're dealing with in this specific thunderstorm, and it's backing a little. So again, I continue to move around the different radar products on here as we're running this live in severe coverage on this tornado warning that continues for southwestern portions of Mahoning County. Is that anything new, Don?
Nothing involving Columbiana County.
Okay. And Ryan Palicki's now in here. Are we watching anything? I saw some rotation on that storm a little bit ago on different dots on the radar. Are you seeing anything new over there?
And then I'm looking for a couple of rotation, not seeing anything new just yet. The storm does still have a powerful punch, but currently, good news, not seeing any couplets of rotation, one of the stronger indicators that the storm does have one on the ground, but we're continuing to monitor this closely.
And again, we're watching Columbiana County here. There has not been a new tornado warning issued. However, let's see, what do we got there? That's over to the east. Okay, that's with that second cluster moving out of western Pennsylvania there, I think. So heavy rainfall obviously is likely with these thunderstorms, and as we were talking about, the tornado warning continues for Mahoning County, but the storm itself is now starting to slip across the border here on